How to compress PDF file size. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can compress the PDF file size. So let's just get started with the video without any delay. So let's just do it. So for that, you can go ahead and locate up your PDF file that you want to compress. For example, I have placed it right here. So all you need to do is right click on it and you can look up for the size of that particular by going to properties. And when you head over there, you can find the size of your PDF. So you can just go ahead and do that and click on OK. After that is done, you can go to your browser, your preferred browser, and type in compress PDF file and you'll be finding different options. For now, I'm going for the first link available. So for that, you just need to go ahead and tap on the select PDF file from this section and locate up the PDF file that you want to compress. And once that is done, click on open and it will open up here. So on the right side, you'll be finding different compression levels. If you want extreme compression, you can choose that. For now, I'm choosing the second option, which is good quality and good compression. And once that is done, it will directly compress your PDF file, and you can see the before size was 67.55 and after is 51, which is it has compressed 10% of it. So that is it. You can download after it is compressed if you want and view it. So that is it. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.